This is my favorite time of the year, and it is because I get to share with you guys how much money YouTube paid me, and also I get to be transparent as possible on my YouTube channel as well. Now, before we get started, this is not to flex or anything like that. This is actually just to maybe inspire one or two people who are thinking about making a YouTube channel, and to show them the reality of what it takes to make a successful YouTube channel, but also, of course, to Hey guys, so for some reason the memory card did not record the introduction properly of the video, so it's going to be cut a little bit different, so that's why you're watching this video right now. It's just a quick little update on why the cut is funny. So yeah, back to the video and see how much money I made on YouTube for 365 days here. So this year YouTube is going to pay me about $1,000 to $100 pretty much. My RPM was $4.28. Playback CPM was $10.59. So as you can see, as a small content creator with only about 3,000 subscribers, YouTube does not pay a lot. And also because the type of videos I'm making is a small niche, right? Like I'm focusing in tech videos in this channel a lot, Apple app reviews, and I think there's not a lot of people who want to watch setup videos of apps and everything. So yeah, but this is what I really like. So as you can see, January, February was very slow. April was, okay, but for some reason, this middle here, March, I guess the Apple event, April, I guess Apple events. But here's where September, I knew September was going to be a nice month, and then October, November was really nice, spiked up. So, yeah, okay, so here we can see how much YouTube paid me for every month. It's a lot much more detailed information right here. So as you can see, the months here, in January I made a little bit more. February 85, March 99, 91, April 81. So it's not a lot too much, but of course the last 3 months of the year are always, I think, for every content creator, the best months, because it is the holiday season and people are buying stuff, checking on YouTube what they should buy, if they should buy this stuff and all that for Christmas. So this month, of course, I made, a really nice chunk of money, $100 extra. It helps, $100 extra. It's passive income for me. So so don't quit your day job if you're a small content creator. Keep your day job until you can make YouTube your business, because it's not that good. And then of course YouTube Premium, I've only made about $11 about in YouTube Premium this year, and a lot of my money came from ad revenue. So that just goes to show that people are not really paying for YouTube Premium. People are mostly watching for free on YouTube and just suffer with the ads. And so so what type of videos, what type of ads make me the most money? So pretty much the skip ads one. So the one where it shows 3, 2, 1, then skip ad. So those are the ones that are making me more money. And then of course the top earning video here is the battery life area. So the AirPods battery, the TikTok. So as you can see, it's just really cool to see how much money each video makes. And a lot of these videos were made either 2 years ago as well, and they're still pumping money for me, which is really nice to see. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for how much YouTube paid me in the year of 2021. As you can see, as a small content creator, it is not $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 like some other creators out there, but it is actually only $1,000 pretty much I made in extra passive income this year, which is still $1,000. Is still $1,000, of course. I'm grateful for that, and I'm grateful for everybody who has been watching my YouTube videos, of course, since day one. So my goal for next year is to go even a little bit bigger. So until then, I'll see you guys later. Peace.